Hey everybody. So YouTube this year has brought forth another feature that nobody really wanted. And while on paper this feature might have seemed like a good idea, in execution it's quite terrible. It's actually backfiring, and honestly I think it's causing more harm to creators on YouTube than good. Because let's face it, this feature, it's like I say, it's not all that great, and it's actually frustrating viewers. It's known as automatic dubbing. Now, again, on paper, automatic dubbing might actually seem like a nice feature, because what it's supposed to do is translate your videos into different languages that are around the world, supposedly opening up your videos to viewers worldwide. But in typical YouTube fashion, YouTube decided to make this an opt-out feature instead of an opt-in feature, so that if you're not paying attention, your videos begun getting automatic dubbed by AI. And let's just face it, there's been a lot of negative reports of this feature from viewers and creators alike. Viewers complain that the voices sound like a robot, translations are not that great, and by default YouTube has it turned on, and every time you go to a new video you must go in and turn the feature off in the player for that video. So it's over and over and over again. And again, typical YouTube style, they make things harder than they should be. So as a creator myself, I have turned this feature off on my channels, both my channels actually. The only real warning that you got from YouTube that this feature was being enabled on your channel was an email. Both my channels did get emails letting me know that this feature would be turned on, and I call it a warning for a reason, because really, had I known better, I would have went in and turned it off before it ever was enabled. Because let's face it, on QQ channel in particular, I noticed that once the feature was enabled, click-through rates on my videos tanked. And this has been an issue for a lot of creators, because YouTube, what they've done basically is during the summer the feature was enabled on my channel, and once it was enabled, again, since it was opt-out, it was automatically turned on for my whole channel. And then YouTube started translating my videos into different languages and then pushing new uploads into markets where viewers may not be so interested in my videos. And this is kind of an issue for a lot of creators out there. Now, of course, my videos can have, I'd say, international interest. A lot of my videos get views, of course, from the United States, but also Canada, United Kingdom, New Zealand, Australia, and places like that. But once automatic dubbing was turned on, of course, YouTube would start pushing new content to different markets that may not be very interested in my videos. And due to that, and also due to viewers clicking off of videos due to the frustrating nature of automatic dubbing, that would cause basically views to tank and retention to plummet, making YouTube's wonderful algorithm, which already buries its channel as it is, make it think that my videos suck dearly and therefore bury them even further. For example, several videos I posted this fall or late summer that should have gotten some decent attention had terrible click-through rates. But once I turned off automatic dubbing, everything's back to normal. So this feature again was automatically enabled for YouTube partner creators. It didn't happen all at the same time. It happened kind of staggered nature. Again, QQ channel got enabled before CubeComp MDDX. Now I should note that CubeComp MDDX didn't really see as much of an impact. Well, that's because most of the videos on CubeComp MDDX are basically thunderstorm videos and not videos of me talking about stuff. And let's just face it, YouTube's translations, they're not that great, especially for people like myself who have minor speech impairments due to being slightly autistic. The translations are not that great. Matter of fact, I have turned on closed captioning on some of my videos just to see what it puts out, and let's just say some of the closed captions are not that great. And then again, there's been a lot of complaints about YouTube's translations being Not so great, and of course being AI, well, we know how wonderful AI is. I'm not really a big fan of it. So you might want to check on your YouTube settings and see if this is turned on for your channel. And if it is, turn it off. So basically what you do is you go into your channel settings, either let's say analytics or content, somewhere in Creator Studio. And what you'll do is you'll go down to settings in this lower left corner. And then once you come up to settings, you will then click on upload defaults. You'll choose advanced settings. Scroll down, and automatic dubbing, you'll want to uncheck that and click on save. That will disable automatic dubbing and get this horrible feature off of your videos. So yes, yeah, another YouTube feature that nobody really wanted. Another change by YouTube that I'm thinking people don't much care about. It's like YouTube, they've been on a roll this year, from removing the play all videos option from channels on the TV interface to removing dislikes from view on your videos, which there's an add-on to fix that, to discontinuing sending emails when you get new comments on your videos. Just, I'm telling you, YouTube has been on a roll this year. It's been quite frustrating. And yeah, there's a term that I don't actually speak, but yeah, I did actually refer to it in a post on this channel. So, yes, automatic dubbing sucks dearly. Turn it off. So, anyways, that wraps up for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.